Okay, so question 1 is asking, find a function p of x of least possible degree having real coefficients with the given zeros 2 and 6i. So the first thing you do is find the factors. So 2 and 6i, so it would be x minus 2, x minus 6i, and also x plus 6i. Then you would factor these out and distribute. And I realized I did this the hard way, but oh well. Eventually you get x cubed minus 2x squared, and then negative 36x times negative 1 plus 72 times negative 1. And then you factor out x squared, and 36 comes out of this. So the final answer is x squared plus 36 and x minus 2. Okay, question 2. Question 2 is asking if negative 3 is a 0 to this function. So when you plug negative 3 in, you bring down the 2. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus negative 3 is negative 9. Negative 9 times negative 3 is positive 27. 27 minus 4 is 23. 23 times negative 3 is negative 69. Negative 69 plus 19 is negative 50. So the answer is no. Negative 3 is not a 0. Okay, so question 3. The first step to solve this is find factors of 5 and negative 150. So I already worked this out, and I found that negative 2 is a 0. So 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. Negative 10 plus 7 is negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6. 119 plus 6 is 125. 125 times negative 2 is negative 250. Negative 250 plus 175 is negative 75. Negative 75 times negative 2 is positive 150. So that's a 0. Then you get 5x cubed minus 3x squared plus 125x minus 75. So this becomes 5, negative 3, 125, and negative 75. And I already worked this out and found that 3/5 is a 0. So then that leaves us with 5 and 125. So then the next step is to set this equal to 0. And I use the square root method to solve this. So to get the x squared by itself, you subtract 125. Then you divide 5 to each side. And then you have x squared minus 125. So then you get plus or minus square root negative 125, which equals plus or minus 5i. So the answer to this question is 5i, negative 5i, negative 2, and 3/5.